What's up, guys? Low Boys. Low Boys Garage back here again, and today we're doing headers and an up pipe on Jaden's Subaru WRX Fake STI.
Yep, there it is.
So, I'll let Jaden explain what we got done here so far, but...
Alrighty, where's the flashlight? Where's the flashlight? Alright, so to get the the headers off, you have to take the downpipe off. Which we had that video, right? Yeah, we made that video. So you'll see how that was taken apart and put on. So you'll take that off, and then for the up pipe, if we can get this flashlight sucks. No, where's that one down here? Right here. This one. This one's probably got like 50,000 lumens in it. All right. So let me get the flashlight set up. You want to hold the flashlight right there?
Yeah.
I'll zoom in if it focuses. There's a bolt. It's not focusing.
Good enough.
Well, there's a nut here, nut there, and then I know for a fact this ain't gonna focus. Oh, yeah, it's not gonna focus, but oh god, it's blurry. But there's two nuts or studs there with nuts. You'll take those off, and then the up pipe will technically, yeah, that's disconnected from the turbo, and then. Oh, it's zoomed in on my face. It's zoomed in on my face. Alright, that probably looks stupid. But, oh! I dropped you guys. And then there's a bolt we got undone right here. I don't know why the camera's not wanting to focus like at all. Awkward silence. Yeah, there's a bolt here you'll undo, and then right above this O2 sensor there's a bolt, which we got all that disconnected, and then we broke loose the header bolts or nuts so that it'll be easier so you guys don't have to watch us time lapse or do some stupid stuff. So pretty much we just gotta loosen. Oh my god, I keep hitting them. We gotta take the impact. We're gonna zip them off. That's what I'm gonna do. And then the old headers go bye-bye.
Yes, sir.
And then we're putting these freshies on. And then we got, hopefully that didn't show the address. Not like I care anyways. Got Grimspeed gaskets. Because we gotta get the best of the best. Correct?
Yes, always.
Always the best.
eBay parts for the win.
Exactly. eBay builds are the best. Then we got an O2 sensor from Rock Auto. Even though I don't care to run those, but whatever. So yeah, we're gonna zip the old headers, the last few nuts off, and get that sucker out. I had a burp, but I didn't.
Recorded.
Good. Sponsored by Josh, father. Give me the Milwaukee tools. Alright,
I'll get under here.
back to the guy in the first video in the comments that told us to get a workbench. We don't use creepers either. We're all about jank.
Yeah. See those bolts right up there?
Don't worry, we got them loose already, broken loose, so. Watch, I'm gonna get killed by these things.
Don't mind the oil, it's a Subaru.
Yeah, it's fine.
We'll fix that eventually.
Yeah, I don't know about that. I do recommend if you guys can buy this tool, buy it.
It's nice.
Really nice.
It helps. There we go, one side done.
Oh, go to this side.
Shimmy our way over here.
Just to be safe on the last one, you might want to set the camera up and help hold the header.
Nah, I think we'll descend it.
I've had two close calls today where the cars wanted to kill me.
Yeah. I think they're gonna be pretty stuck on there though.
You ready?
Yeah, I got my elbow on her.
Oh, I'm scared.
Oh, I feel it moving. Ready?
Okay, hold on.
What am I holding on to?
Hold on to.
You good?
Yep.
Okay, hang on. Alright, go. Oh shit, look at that.
Oh!
Oh, here's this O2 sensor.
God, this thing's
Here,
heavy.
wait, hang on. Here, you're good. Pull.
God damn.
Look at that!
God damn.
Ooh, look at them crusty gaskets. Look at these crusty gaskets. Ooh, those are minty. Look at that.
You know,
Pull yours off your side over there. How's that one looking? Crusty?
I can't even get it on. Yeah, it's burnt to the block. There we go.
Oh, weird. Subaru that actually has gaskets? Weird.
Yeah, and just in case, the oil's actually good because then you don't need PB Blaster.
Yeah, the oil soaked all the bolts. They're real easy to get off.
Dang, bro. Those,
What are you doing?
there's a lot of carbon buildup in there. Oh,
Yeah. Look at inside there. That's where all them horse puppies come flowing out.
Hey, as long as I beat you, that's all that matters.
Not for long, buddy. Here, can we pull this fucking up pipe out now? Hey, look at this. Can we pull this out here? I don't know if we can. Seems pretty wedged. Wait, is there an O2 sensor? I think there might be. I feel something, some resistance maybe. There might be an O2 sensor there yet. Alright, so we got the stock downpipe out and took us. Jesus Christ. What time is it? What time is it?
It's
12:46.
that explains a lot right there.
Yeah.
So the up pipe.
That we had to remove the motor mounts and jack up the entire motor to get it to slide out.
Yes, which I'll show you what those are. Because we suck as YouTubers.
Yeah.
Okay. So that nut, which it's obviously, oh there we go. That nut you'll want to loosen or take it all the way out. And then that one you'll want to loosen and take it all the way out. And then I just used a piece of wood and a jack and jacked up from the oil pan and jacked up the motor so we could get the old up pipe out. And then we did get the new one in, which actually they're not going to see it from up there. So we flip the camera, you can see the one end there, just there. So now we're gonna mock up the headers and hopefully they just fit right away. But yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Where's this light at? Here we go.
Now,
See if these fit. They fit?
what the hell was that?
What?
Oh, one of those. Not that big of a deal. Okay, so that goes. What are,
I think you're hitting the frame rail right up here. Oh, no, you're not. You're clearing.
no, I can't. It's just gotta go on evenly.
Okay.
Not one. Oh no, something. It's hitting the.
What's it hitting?
I think it's hitting the oil pan.
Nah. I swear to God, Jaden, I'm not cutting your fucking oil pan.
Oh no,
Oh no. What?
this is really bad.
Oh God.
This is really bad. This is really bad.
So should I end the clip?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're putting on the nuts for the headers now, and it's like 2:18 in the morning, and that light's gonna give me a seizure. No, how do I turn this off? Jesus Christ. Okay, alright, here we go. Oh, why aren't you focusing? There we go. Yeah.
You wanna know what I need right now?
Some sleep.
Chalky milk.
Oh man.
Chalky milk
Oh.
makes the pain go away.
You hit the spot right there. Anyone wondering? Don't buy DNA headers.
Yeah.
Not worth it. I mean, they fit, but you basically got to remake them yourself.
Because the Chinese people can't do it.
Yeah. This is all we're doing for tonight. We're putting the
We'll
header, huh?
We'll bolt the header to the up pipe tomorrow
And put the down
down
pipe.
pipe in.
And then we'll start it and see what she sounds like. Did you get all them there, Rambo?
I'm making sure they're tight, 'cause I don't want
It's fine. Hand tight's enough.
to. Honestly, I think we didn't even need them in the first place.
You'd have been better off stocks.
Nah, I think taking them the stocks off and just leaving it open.
Oh yeah.
I think that would have been the best bet.
Turbo just there for looks.
What's up?
Turbo just there for looks.
Yep.
Yeah.
Don't need it.
I think that's the move.
What?
Yeah, we had to do some minor clearancing around the oil pan.
Do my elbow.
Get going, buddy.
My elbow.
This clip's gonna be like 15 minutes long. Yeah, so we had to do like some minor clearancing around the oil pan because it's kind of hitting, and obviously you don't want hot headers against an oil pan, so we had to dent them in a little bit. Just a little bit.
Yeah, we'll just say that a little bit.
Yeah.
Well,
we won't show that part. Huh?
no, that's funny.
What?
This pipe,
Yeah.
this one,
Yeah.
is right in the way of the nut.
You're kidding.
I'm joking.
Well, how the hell are we supposed to put that one on? Can you get it from the side of the normal wrench? Is it actually?
Oh, dude, my elbow. I'm not kidding.
Oh my god.
I want to know who made these. I want their full name, address, and everything. I'm going traveling. We're gonna go pop the.
Social security number would be nice. So what are we doing now?
I'm gonna try this without a extension.
Alright, we'll get back to you when we find out how we do this. Alright, so we got the headers all completely bolted up and tightened. We put a little heat wrap there just since it was so close to the oil pan. And then we got the header to the up pipe bolts in, which is really hard because that bolt on the top is basically impossible to get to. But we use the double wrench method on that puppy. But we got it, so now the only thing we have left to do is to
Down pipe.
put the down pipe back in.
Which? How long do we put that down pipe in?
How long did it take to put us in?
No,
or
like
put
how
it in?
long ago did we put it in?
I don't know.
Before winter, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Probably like 5 months, 5, 6 months.
Well, there's what, maybe a few thousand, like 3,000 miles on this.
Maybe, yeah.
And like the coloration of it, the gold.
Yeah. It looks so nice. All the pipes basically all gold.
It's a little dirty, but it's alright.
Yeah.
It's an exhaust.
Yeah. Let's snake this puppy back through here.
Are you gonna? You should probably put this one through there.
Through
Just
what?
hold it in. Like put it in. This one's this one.
Okay. Alright, let's get this thing through here. Yeah, if you have the money to get like name brand headers, definitely do it. Probably could get it done in like a quarter of the time.
Could have probably had it done last night.
Oh yeah, we would have for sure. I see you.
I feel like I have no room down here.
You really don't. You want me to take that nut or? Okay.
So this needs to go like this.
Snake her up through there. Hang on a second, I gotta move this.
Make sure the gasket's good.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to find here. Yeah, there. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we're gonna get this downpipe mounted up and then we'll get back to you.
Ready?
Yep. Let's start it.